2026 Honda Accord Hybrid. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.